Disclaimer. This video series is specifically designed for Mahindra's MyOJA application. In the previous video, we have learned about how to install the application and register yourself. Further, we had a walkthrough of homepage and explored the features that are present. In this video, we will understand how to use features like creating geofencing, checking daily usage data, etc. Let's get started. After exploring the homepage, now let's understand all the features and tabs present in usage section. On the very top, user can toggle between the tractors. Once the user clicks on the scroll down option in top left corner, list of tractors available will appear, among which user can choose as per their preference. User can also monitor whether the engine is on or off from the option over the map view. The tractor location can be monitored in the map view, and it gets refreshed after every 30 seconds. User also has the option to toggle between the map view and the satellite view option. User can locate his or her tractor by clicking on Locate Tractor, which helps user to get the directions, as well along with the estimated distance of tractor from user and time to reach there. User can click on Start, and the navigation will help user to reach the tractor. As the user click the scroll down option on screen, a detailed view about usage gets open, wherein user can see engine RPM, today's usage, level of diesel, etc. Let's explore them one by one. Here user can check the current RPM and the current ground speed. User can monitor its usage each day by clicking today's usage. As the user clicks the today's usage tab, here is how the detailed summary will look like, wherein user can view the detailed summary of its usage, and the area covered on the map view and much more. User can toggle between the tractors, for which they want to see the summary, by clicking the scroll down menu. User can view the summary of current day, last week and last month. User can also customize the period for summary. This period can be from a day, and can extend up to last 90 days. To view this, user has to click on the calendar option as shown, then user can select the start date and end date of the period, to vary the details. For each day, if user wants to see how much area did the tractor covered on map, user has to click on the expand button on map, and the following screen will open. Here is how a map view will appear, below which you can see the average RPM for that trip, distance covered on road and on field. User can also have a close look at hour-wise trip coverage, where it shows data of 3 parameters, which are average RPM during that hour, field work done in that hour, and distance covered on road. For last week usage, user can dig into each day's statistics by clicking on day-wise data. User can also expand into map view to view how much area was covered during each trip. Similarly, for last month usage, user can dig into each day's statistics by clicking on day-wise data. User can also expand into map view to view how much area was covered during each trip. In the map view, user gets this filter option, where users can choose particularly whether they want to have map view of field work, or on road, or all. User can check the diesel level, and this is how a details view pop up once user clicks on diesel level tab. If the engine is off, user will get this pop-up. User can also get a detailed view of engine hours. Once user clicks the engine hour tab, he or she will get redirected to a detailed view page, where user can see the hours in which engine was working for current day, and also for last 30 days. Now, let us explore an important and most incredible feature, that is fencing. As the user clicks on fencing, this screen pops up, where you can see the map view of your tractor's surroundings. User can either search the address or can drag the pin, wherever the user want to start the fencing from. User now have to select the shape of fencing they want. User gets 2 options. One is user can draw a custom or rough shaped fencing, or else user can choose to draw a square fencing. User have to select a start point by moving the pin to a place from where he wants the fencing to start. User can now draw the area they want to cover in a custom fencing shape. Once the user marks the fencing area, it's time to give it a name, such as Farm 1, or any name the user want to give its fencing. Once geofence is created, need to input the start date, end date, start time, and end time. Here user can also set the alerts such as, if there is a vehicle entry, exit or both, to the allocated geofence. User can now view all of his active fencing areas. Here users are also provided with the option to edit, activate and delete fencing. To do so user has to click these dots, and choose his or her preference. In My Tractor section user can view critical alerts, right below the tractor selected. In the Next Service tab, application will show hours, at which next service is due. In order to book a service, user has to click on Book Service tab. Once the following tab opens, user can call on the given number of dealer. In order to change the tractor's name, user have to go in My Tractor section, and below click on Tractor Name, and user will be able to edit the name. Once user fill in the name, save it, and the new name will be reflected on your app.